I saw a video by a YouTube guru who said there is nothing wrong with Facebook ads. I'm making millions per day. He said that don't do the victim mentality or whatever. But to be honest with you, some of my ad accounts are down, right? I'm like probably the worst Facebook ads marketing guru out there. I'm the only one who is not making millions. But a lot of people are actually confirming the issue with Facebook ads, so it's not just me. We're on subreddit Facebook ads, and this guy says, got a call from a Meta rep specifically for the performance drop-off. I'm currently running an e-com store spending about 40K per month, and my ROI until February used to be 3.8. After mid-February, ROI dropped to 1.9. While this sucks, it's still profitable, and I'm doing it as a side hustle, so I didn't really care about it much. Yeah, it's good when you don't care about Facebook ads, but when your whole business relies on Facebook ads, then the situation is much worse. Apparently, I got a call from a Meta rep out of the blue. The person called me to inform me that they are aware of the performance issue. The issue has been identified and is currently being worked on. The issue is related to some changes Apple made. So the Facebook rep actually called this guy. It's not like, yeah, because you cannot call a Facebook rep. So I'm not sure if this is real. I'm not sure if this is official. I talked to a Facebook rep as well, and we had a call a month ago, and he also said that there are some issues with drop in performance. So this is not news. If I go on subreddit, another subreddit goes like this: Meta performance issues finally in the media. This was 4 months ago, but it seems like the issue seems to persist even today. Yes, there are major issues with the Meta advertising platform. No, you're not going crazy. So it is not just you. Pretty much the only people who are making money on Facebook ads right now are only the gurus who say that there is nothing worse with their Facebook ad account. But a lot of big advertisers or agencies are talking about it, and it has finally hit the mainstream media. Meta saying it is isolated, blah, blah, blah. But the fact is in the media, and it's super credible experience. Large-scale agencies and advertisers are willing to call Meta out and put their names to it shows as a major platform issue. And here, if I click on the link, we're going to see an article by Bloomberg. Meta advertisers say automated system has been glitchy for weeks. Marketers on Facebook and Instagram notice glitches, higher prices, and poorer returns on the once reliable network. The once reliable network was a while ago. So if we scroll a little bit down, we're going to see a lot of people actually complaining about drop in performance. So if you're advertising on Meta, you're not alone. Other people are also struggling with their Facebook ads. And this guy says, wonder if all the gurus on these subs are still going to say, it's your creative, be better. Still, some gurus will say it actually. Some gurus will say it. So maybe if you want like this fake advice, go and subscribe to the Facebook ads gurus. Here there is another article. I'm not sure if it's the same. Meta advertisers claim sales are down and costs are up due to glitchy automated systems. Advertisers claim that ongoing issues with Meta algorithm are significantly impacting campaign performance across its all platforms. And something interesting I saw yesterday. Yesterday I was on Twitter and I saw how Elon Musk said that Twitter or X is surpassing Facebook and Instagram on monthly visitors. So I'm not sure if this is the case. However, I'm not sure if there is something wrong with Meta. I'm not sure if the elections are causing a lot of troubles. However, if you really think about it, when there is an election in the United States, some people are pumping crazy money into ads. That's why some advertisers are forced to advertise outside the USA, and this drives cost all across the world. So we're all affected. I'm affected. I had some campaigns that were delivering amazing results, but since February, the cost per result increased significantly. I'm not sure if this is gonna persist. I'm not sure if this is like something I could do about it, something I could personally fix. However, I'm just keep on trying. I'll keep on testing new creatives, new campaign structure, new optimization. But at some point, I feel like it would be much more beneficial for me if I pick a strategy and if I just stick to one strategy instead of like changing my opinion each and every day. Because this is the reality of Facebook ads. We knew that when the iOS 14 happened, when a lot of ad accounts were restricted on the last elections. So I'm really not sure. I cannot like say this is what works. Use this strategy and you're gonna crush it. So basically, we're not quitting. We're pushing ads. I have some ad accounts that are still working well. So yeah, for those of you who are struggling with ads, you're not alone. Let me know in the comments how your ads are doing this week. Right now is August 1st. I read you another article, but I did it because I believe it is relevant even today. Thank you for watching. My name is Niko. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go watch some of my videos. So if you go on my channel, you're gonna see some amazing videos, some amazing case studies. I go on Reddit and I break down stuff. So I think it's very, very useful. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.